Despite some minor visual and ergonomic updates, the CL500 retains its original individuality and substantial customization potential. This A2-compliant Honda Urban Scrambler receives updates in comfort, ergonomics, and visual styling for 2025. A new LCD meter offers improved visibility in all conditions, while revised seat and footrest placement enhance rider comfort. This popular engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with an assist or slipper clutch, featuring a short final drive gear for intelligent acceleration around town, both from a standstill and through the gears. The 471cc parallel twin-cylinder engine is Honda's powerful and popular A2-compliant engine, producing 34.3 kilowatts and 43.4 newton-meters of torque. The bike now meets Euro 5+ standards. The Honda CL500 boasts a rich retro feel, inspired by the original CLs of the 1960s and 1970s, proving that a lightweight motorcycle with off-road dynamics is a joy to ride in the city. The 790mm seat height provides easy ground clearance and legroom, while the new urethane seat and revised foot pegs make the LCD dashboard with a negative display easier to read in sunlight. The CL's comprehensive specifications include front and rear LED lights, a compact negative LCD instrument panel, and the latest safety systems such as emergency stop signal technology, which operates the rear turn signal as a hazard light during sudden hard braking. The newly optimized foot peg position is matched by the revised seat construction for enhanced rider comfort. The front and rear brakes feature modulating ABS, specifically balanced for excellent performance on a variety of terrain, including light off-road use. The trellis-style tubular steel mainframe is both a style statement and a foundation for easy riding. The long travel suspension consists of a 41mm telescopic fork and an adjustable rear shock, while the wheels, 19 inches at the front and 17 inches at the rear, use block-pattern Dunlop tires.